Unit 10, types of chemical reaction. First question, lemon juice has a pH value, power of hydrogen is nothing but pH. pH value 2. What is the concentration of H plus ion? So here pH value is given 2. Concentration of H plus ion value 1 to find. Formula, general formula, pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus ion. So here minus, this minus you take this side, pH is equal to log base 10 H plus ion. Here one formula is there, log 10 base 10 m is equal to x. So 10 to the power of x is equal to m. Then base, that value is equal to m. This is a formula. Like that you substitute. So it will become what? So base 10, h plus m, h plus place m, x place pH. So here x place value, here log 10, this is a m place value. So how to write? 10 to the power of x. So what is the 10 to the power of x? So we can write 10 to the power of x means here x minus pH is equal to m. M is what? H plus. So you compare these two equations. So H plus ion concentration equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. pH value already you know 2. So substitute minus already here. pH value 2. So 2. So 10 to minus 2 is the H plus ion's value. Calculate the pH of 1 into 10 to minus 4 molar solution of HNO3, nitric oxide. So now H plus value is given 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole, m is mole, pH value 1 to find. pH formula, general formula, pH is equal to minus log base 10 H plus. So now minus log base 10 H plus value 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. So minus log common for choose 2 value, minus log base 10 1. In log multiply means you have to add. You know that one. Log m into n means how to write? Log m plus log n. Like that the formula will come. So here into 1 plus, already your minus it, plus into minus log 10 to the base 10 to the power of minus 4. So here minus log base 1 0. So formula for log base 10 1 is equal to 0. Log x power n formula like that. So n into log x formula. So the power will come front. So like that you see minus this log of this value, the minus 4 will come front. Minus of minus into minus plus that 4 log base 10 into 10. See log base 10 into 10 value 1. So it will become 1. This is minus 0 0. So 4 into 1. So pH value is equal to 4. Next question. What is the pH of 1 into 10 minus 5 molar solution of potassium hydroxide? Here potassium hydroxide. See OH is given here. Before some you see pH value H ion, hydrogen ion. Here also hydrogen ion. But here OH, not H, OH. So OH value is given. So first you find the before you find the pH value, first you find the OH value first. Same formula, but OH, POH is equal to minus log base 10 OH minus. Hydrogen means plus, OH means minus. See what are the values given? OH value is given. OH value is given 1 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So now pH want to find. So a substitute here, POH is equal to minus log base 10, OH value 1 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Same formula, minus multiply inside, minus log base 10, 1. In multiplication, it will minus same formula log m into n formula. So log m plus log n, like that. So minus log base 10 into 10 of minus 5. So log base 10, 1, it will become 0. Minus into 0, 0 only. So this minus 5 will come from minus into minus plus 5. Log base 10, 10. Log base 10 also 1 is equal to 1. So how much value? 5. This is 1 value. It will become 1, 5. POH value 5. But here want to find pH. Here one very important formula is given. pH plus POH is equal to 14. That scale 14 value. Below 7 is a acid. Above 7 is a base. So that formula pH plus POH is equal to 14. So want to find pH. So pH plus POH 5 is equal to 14. So here pH is equal to 14 minus 5. So it will become, so pH is equal to 9. So this is the value. The hydroxide ions concentration of solution 180 minus 11 mole. What is the pH value? Similar question. So here OH, hydroxy ion. Hydroxide means OH. Hydroxide means OH. So OH ions is given how much? 1 into 10 to the minus 11. So want to find pH. So similar. First you find the POH value. Minus log base 10 OH formula. Substitute POH is equal to minus log base 10 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 11. Multiply inside, minus log base 10 1. In addition minus, it will become log formula minus log 10 to the power of minus 11. So already you know that one, this will become 0. So minus log, this minus 11 will come from. So plus 11 log base 10, 10. Log base 10, 10, 1. So it will become 11. So POH value 11. But want to find pH. Already know the formula, pH plus POH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to plus POH value 11 is equal to 14. So 11 you take that side. So pH value is equal to 14 minus 11. So pH is equal to 3. So this is a method of to find the pH value.